Hi, welcome back to our channel HardReset.Info. In this video I want to show you how to use zoom to fill gesture in YouTube application. Let's open YouTube application on your device, and first of all let's enable this gesture in your YouTube settings. So once you've opened the application, you want to tap your profile picture in the bottom right. Now in the top right, tap settings icon. Now let's go to section video and audio preferences and tap playback. So here you will find option zoom to fill screen. Let's enable it. And now you want to open any video on your device. Let's start the video and put it into full screen mode. I will rotate my phone, and now we want to perform this gesture as if you're like zooming into photo, and it will put this video into full screen, into full screen. And to go back to original size, simply pinch backwards like this to revert it to original size. So that's it. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like it and subscribe to our channel to see more content like this.